Hey, Stephanie here with Tuesday Tips. Have you ever heard your net worth is your network? Well, that is a gem that many mentors have told me over time. And I know personally, I get it, that networking is super important, but no one ever gave me a roadmap for it. So I'm here with you today to give you my 7 essentials for effective networking. Now, if you're in the healing space, you've probably come across someone and gone, oh, I know someone, I can help you with that. I can help you with that. And you give and you give and you give, but nobody's ever sending anything your way or helping to promote you. And that really goes back to the law of cause and effect or compensation, where, there's got to be reciprocation, okay? But the thing about reciprocation is that you may feel like it's an automatic thing, but it's not. So if you're ready, here are my 7 essentials for effective networking. Number 1, you have got to have a clear goal. Know what it is that you want. Do you want someone that's going to help promote your business and services? Do you have an upcoming event that they want to or promotion that you think that their clients could benefit from? Do you want to do a partnership where the two of you collaborate on something and be able to share it with both your audiences? And then your audiences are getting 2 for the price of 1. What is it that you really want? Having that clear goal is going to help you effectively network. There's lots of help out there on like how you should network, where to go, this and that. But if you don't have clear goals when it comes to networking, then joining a networking group or going to networking events or anything like that isn't really going to help you very much. So, number 1, have clear goals. Second, people are people. So have conversation starters that are not business related. Hey, I love that necklace you're wearing. Where did you get that? Or, oh my gosh, I love your jacket. You can start with compliments. Compliments are great conversation starters, and asking somewhere where they got that, or where they get their hair done, things like that. Have those conversation starters. And then get really curious about the other person. Get to know them. What do they like? What do they dislike? This is going to help you know whether or not you want to do business with them and whether or not they can help you do business as well. So get to know them, get curious. How long have you lived in the area? What do you like to do for fun? Whatever. After that, and this is when you need to be ready with your elevator pitch. If you guys have never heard that term before, it is a short, brief statement about, it should be, actually, they say, I've heard 30 seconds. Back in the day when I was going to school, they always called the elevator pitch 30 seconds or less. It should really be like 10 seconds or less. Clear, concise, who you are, who you help, what do you do, and how does it benefit them? I help entrepreneurs market themselves online so that they can make money and impact. That's my elevator pitch. It's clear, it's concise. You know who I help, you know how I help them, and you know why, what's in it for them. Oh, you help entrepreneurs? So do I. You help people get over trauma? So do I. Or whatever. Or I know somebody who's trying to heal from their trauma right now. Having that clear niche statement in your elevator pitch is really going to help you because it's going to narrow it down for the other person. And then you be specific about what it is you want. Ask for help. Say, I have an upcoming event in a couple of weeks. I would love if you would share that on your social media platform. Or I have a promotion coming up. Would you be willing to share it with your list? I'll give them an extra 10% discount. Holidays are coming up. This is the time to start connecting with people and helping promote each other. Also, be clear about, ask them how you can help them, and be clear about what you're willing to do and what you're not willing to do. They have an upcoming event. Will you share it on your social media platform? Would you send an email to your list about it? Would you come yourself and maybe invite a couple of friends? What is it that you will do and what is it that you will not do? Be when you walk and you're networking with somebody, understand what it is you're willing to do for them and what, because a lot of times we're like, yeah, we'll share your thing, but then you don't ask in return. Make sure you're asking in return. Oh, I also have an event coming up. Would you share mine? And then finally, you definitely want to connect with the person again. Follow up, follow up, follow up. One of the other things many mentors say is the fortune is in the follow-up. So follow up. Follow up with the person that you are connecting with. Thank them for their support in whatever it is that you were doing together or however you were helping promote each other. Connect with them and say, did you get any feedback from your clients, from your clientele? I'd love to know what they thought. Follow up. So first, just let's review. First, have clear goals. Second, treat people like humans and have conversation starters. Get curious about the other person. Have your elevator pitch ready. Ask for what you want. Make sure to reciprocate and be clear about what it is you will and will not do, and then follow up with them. So that is my 7-step process for effective networking. Now, not everybody you're going to meet is going to be somebody you want to network with, but ultimately, more times than not, you're probably going to find people who can help you and you can help as well. So have lots of fun networking. If you are having a challenge getting those goals clear or setting boundaries or anything like that, please take me up on a business breakthrough session. This is a free 30-minute session where you will get customized support. We sit down together, talk about what it is you want, what's in the way, and I give you my hottest tip or strategy to get you moving forward again. So click the link in the description, or if you're getting this via newsletter, the newsletter also has a link for your business breakthrough session. So click that link. These sessions are free. I only can offer a couple a week So while they last, make sure to claim your spot. All right. And until next time, wishing you much success. Bye.